Thank you. My biggest regret is yung hindi ko nilagyan ng kulay yung design challenge. Kasi yun lang naman yung hinahanap nila.
Hindi yung manok yung ginamit mo. Nakulungan. As long as...
Regret ko na pinagawa ko yun sa designer.
Okay, our next question. If you would choose a winner aside from yourself, as we know that you're a winner in your world.
Thank you na remind mo.
We are all winners in our own world.
Thank you.
And if you would choose a winner aside from you in our season, who would that be?
So hard. Except me and except the current winner. Si Bernie. Yes.
Oh.
Bernie talaga.
Are we manifesting her?
I don't know. Kasi baka makalaban. Hindi, charot lang. Pero really, I wanted her to win kasi siya yung pinakamaliit, pero siya yung pinakamalaking puso.
Small but fabulous.
Dark and fierce.
Trans Revolution! Burning cheer!
Hindi niya narinig, tulog siya sa likod.
Okay, kamustahin namin natin ikaw. And what is your next venture in life or in drag or in general?
Next venture is, well, I'm continuing to sing, of course. And, ayun.
Yay!
I'm gonna
We can
release.
see a lot of your work.
Yes,
You're doing the makeups
Oh my God.
for Marina Summer.
Yes.
Oh!
Yes, I just recently did Maxie's makeup. Only drag superstars are sitting on their makeup chair. Kaya hindi tas tinanggap si Sonia. Charot lang!
I can do my own makeup.
As you should, as you should. Kaya yun na nga, more makeup works in the future. Music, of course. I'm gonna release my own music, yes.
Ito na yung nasa
Wala na. Go back. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. I am your new host. Sabi nila. Papalit po ng mic si Miss Jill. Okay.
Okay, going back to our topic. Asa tayo?
Andito sa lapas.
Okay, your naman, next. So we are planning for our music right now. Right?
Yes.
Nasa inyo ng harapan ang dalawang recording artists.
Siya muna. Yes. Alam mo sis, grabe, sobrang proud ako sa iyo. Grabe kasi nakapag-kiss ka ng song mo. And
This is not
yun yung
about
meron
me.
tayo, actually you have a lot in common. Pero yung difference natin is, one of us is a recording artist and one of us is a singer.
Okay, you wanna go there?
I do. Wow.
Wag na lang baka makancel ako.
Pero I love you so much. Wala ka na namang mic.
It's time for you to get your tips.
Ano daw?
It's time for you to get your tips, Yana. Mag-ikot-ikot tayo, Miss Tiny. Simulan natin sa table VIP na.